Alright everyone, got this 2006 Dodge Ram diesel. It's a Cummins diesel, 5.9 liter. We're going to go ahead and take this thing apart, see what we can find on the inside. Alright. Got the throttle actuator here. So this is installed instead of a throttle cable. And we have the linkage for park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Gotta get that off. Okay. Put that to the side. And then this is the overdrive housing, so we gotta get these bolts off, and then we're gonna flip this transmission over. Okay, so now we got the transmission pan. We'll get that off. Kind of see some metal in the bottom there, so we gotta figure out where all that came from. This is the valve body, kind of like the brain of the transmission. All right, put those bolts aside. We will get this thing out. So this is the park rod. So this is what kind of locks it into park here. Goes all the way to the back of this transmission here. And then we've got the band here. So we got to take off that nut. Band struts right there. Okay, so now we're gonna take this pump out. Gonna need a pump puller for that. Put that out. Take the pump bolts out. Just make sure pump gears look good. Got your two drums. And let's see, band's a little burnt there. Go ahead and check these clutch plates. It's the forward clutch and the direct clutch here. Clutch plates there. It's our forward drum. Yeah, we gotta get this snap ring out here. So I use the snap ring pliers. Got the snap ring. Get this out. Kind of check these pinions out. Make sure that they're spinning nice and freely. Their sun shell, all right? Take this planet out here. Got this snap ring in there, kind of hard to see. get some bigger snap ring pliers. There we go. A little tight, but I got it. Take this out, take a look. Look at this band. And then we've got this spray here. Okay. So we gotta take the speed sensor out. Alright. Yeah, different socket. Okay, gotta get these two out. Kind of see there's a snap ring in there.